Hi everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to organize your emails in your Gmail account using labels. So first of all, I am in my inbox and there are a number of different emails here. So how do I go about creating labels? Well, there's a few different ways. If I have an email, for example, this first one here by Ryan Smith, if I want a specific label created just for that email, I can select the email by clicking on the box. And then up at the top here, it looks like an arrow, and it's, as you can see, it says labels underneath. When I click on that, it then gives me the option to create a new label, which is what I'm about to do. And just for the sake of what we're doing today, I'm going to call this label Ryan Smith. Okay, so I've got my Ryan Smith label. I click create, and then what you'll see here, there's a little gray label that shows up that says Ryan Smith. And then also over here on the side, on the left-hand side, under categories, you'll see the label icon again and Ryan Smith. The one thing that you notice right away is it's kind of hard to see. It's gray writing on a gray background. So I want to change that. The way to change my label is I'm going to come on to my Ryan Smith label here on the left. And when I do that, 3 dots show up on the right. I'm going to click on those dots, and then I'm going to go to label color. And in this case, I'm going to make Ryan's label orange. It's going to have an orange background with white writing. So when I click on it, there it is. Now it stands out. I know any email that's going to have that label is going to stand out easily for me. So it's going to come down a little bit, see if there's any others here. Here's a Ryan's, I'm going to unclick it. Here's a Ryan Smith email. There's not too many other ones here. Maybe I'll just add it to one of mine. I'm going to give that a Ryan Smith label. I can pick as many emails as I want at a time. These 3 I'm going to add that label to. So once I've selected the 3, I'm going to come up and click on labels. Now that the Ryan Smith label has been created, see it's here. I can just check the box, hit apply, and now you'll see all 3 of those emails, well now 4 in total, have that Ryan Smith label. So that's great. However, let's say I want to create a bunch of labels because perhaps in my last email account I had folders. These labels work somewhat like folders, but in fact they're even better, and I'm going to prove that to you. But at this point I want to add a few more labels. So I'm going to click here on more, and down here at the bottom says create new label. So once I do that, I can create a few more labels. So I'm going to create a work label. I'm going to come down again, and I'm going to create one more label. Click on more, create new label. And this one's going to be, I'm going to create a Tina label. There it is. Now, once again, you'll notice when they first get made, the Tina and the work, they look exactly the same. They're gray. So I'm going to change the colors right away. I'm going to go to my Tina label. I'm going to make it green so it'll stand out. And I'm going to take my work label, and I'm going to make my work label, what I haven't shown you is I can also create custom colors. So add custom. Here I can pick my background. I can make my background dark purple. I'm going to make my writing yellow. And I can see up here at the top, does that look good? Does it stand out well? I might need to play around with it to get it where I want. Well, there's a dark orange with a white writing. That looks really great. I hit apply. So I can customize my labels. So you can see I've got Ryan, which is kind of an orangey color. Tina is a green color, and then the work is a dark orange. So now as I start to go through, I can set this up that maybe this one right here is going to be a work and a work and a work. So all 3 of those, I want the work label. I've selected them. I click labels, click on work, and now what you can see, and this is what's great about it, this email right here has a Ryan Smith label and a work label. So in the past, if you had an email and you weren't sure which file folder or what folder should I put this into, you could only really put it into one. But now, with labels, you can put as many labels on an email as you want. I have my green Tina label here. I'm going to go through. Here's from Tina, Tina, Tina. Tina's involved in this one. So you're going to get the idea. Click on labels, click on Tina. And now you can see here, after I unclick those emails, Ryan Smith label, Tina label, Ryan, Tina, Ryan and work, Tina work, Ryan, and so on. So let's just say I've got some of these emails and I've archived them and they've gone away, but I'm like, I just want to look at the emails that have that are in that what would be considered a folder, a Tina folder, or in this case, a Tina label. I only want to see those emails. If I come over and I click where it says Tina, It will pull up only the 4 emails that I've put that label on. But notice it also shows that they're all still in my inbox. And 2 of them, Monday is Awesome and Testing, would also show up if I clicked on Work. If I go to the Work label, it shows me only the emails that are in the Work label. It doesn't show me anything else. So those 3 are still in the inbox, but notice here's the Monday is Awesome and Testing. So it's an easy way to go back and find your emails. So you can create as many labels as you like. You can actually nest labels, which is a little bit, it's like an organizational structure. I don't think we'll get into that in this video. That will probably be a future video. So I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know at the Technology Services Department, and have a great day.